When I was a child, we went with Mom to go grocery shopping, and I got lost while I was with my siblings. We went to the CR of my brothers. When we finished CR, there knowing which way to enter, I went to the left way and my brothers went to the right. Because I didn't go with them and listen to them, then so they just left me. Until none of them could see me, and suddenly I started crying because of my fears. It was like my words stopped and tears gradually formed in my eyes. I just stood in a corner holding my small bag, and a woman saw me and asked me why I was crying, and I told what happened, and suddenly he asked the guard for help to find me, their mother. I was asked where my companions were, but I could answer right away because I was shaking with fear. And a few moments later, I saw them. My mother was sweating profusely while looking for me. I didn't know if I should be afraid of the sermon or happy that she had seen me. And she didn't say anything bad. Since then, every time I went with my mother, I always touched the hem of her dress whenever we went to the high place. No, I will forget my fear before and how happy it feels to see the one who you love.